O, tinanggalan na yung stage. Ah, meron pa, pero iniba na lang nila. My God, anong taon pa tayo? Mas na pumunta dito.
Ako bang card yan?
Wow, Bella! Good job!
Wala na?
Meron pa. There's more.
This one. Ah, mosquitoes! I don't want
Okay. Hi, guys! So, today we're on our way sa Valley Fair para bumili ng gamit, shoes ng aming anak. Bibili kami ng shoes nila. Yeah, so yeah, we're on our way. Malapit na kami, siguro mga 4 minutes. 4 minutes away, Valley Fair. And then, ano ba bibili mo? Sapatos lang, diba? You're just gonna buy shoes? Kasi wala pa yung binibigay nila sa school. May mga lists yung school kung anong klaseng mga school stuff ang mga bibilin. Kay Bella, sa'yo, what are you gonna buy? What supplies? So, ano ba yun?
for me because we're going to school and third grade.
Yeah, because tomorrow is back to school na sila. Their first day sa school. So, kami naman busy-busy. Kaya ngayon lang tayo may time magbili. For sure, madaming tao sa mall. My God. But we're just gonna be in and out. In and then out. In and out lang tayo, in and out. Kasi alam naman na yung bibilin. Kung saan bibili. But hindi pa niya alam kung anong klaseng sapatos ang bibilin daw niya. So, that's that. Okay, go. Because I'm nice today. Dahil nagsignal ba siya? Dahil nagsisignal siya, sige, pagbibigyan kita. Kung hindi ka nagsisignal,
Guys, and you watching this video, like and subscribe. And you watching my videos, like and subscribe too.
So, saan ba yung H&M? Oh, yung H&M pala nandun na sa Valley Fair. Dati nandiyan kasi sa Santana Row. Saan doon dyan ba yung Santana Row? Oh my gosh, there's gonna be a lot of people. Shucks, dapat pumuntahan tayo ng umaga. Come on. There's gonna be a lot of people. They're walking down the street. Yeah. Go.
Then where my mask on?
Hindi ko maganda, Charlie. Hey guys, dito kami sa loob ng Valley Fair. So magkakaroon ng Hello Kitty Cafe. And yun, nasa So, asan ba yung Shoe Palace? Okay guys, ngayon naman andito tayo sa H&M. Nakabili na kami ng sapatos kanina doon sa panganay namin. So, ito naman kay Bella. Tingin tayo ng mga damit niya. Konti lang kasi, di ba, kabibili lang namin ni Charlie nung nakaraan eh. So,
Are you pretty today?
yung size yan. 5 to 6. Kuha tayo ng mga...
I want to buy something, guys.
You want this one?
Yes, guys.
Hindi kasi pwede kumuha ng mga white eh. Para hindi ko masyadong madumihin. Let me see this one. Yeah.
Guys, look. Look at me. This one is more cuter, guys. Oh my
May tugtog
God.
guys eh. Baka ma-CR tayo. Tingin na lang muna tayo. Tingin. Wala.
Oh my God. He's buying something, guys. I think so.
Si Kuya.
Where's Kuya, guys?
Ayan guys, nakabili na kami ng konting damit niya itong dalawa. Ay sapatos niya.
Mommy, I'll and buy something. Mommy, our car's there. Mommy, our car's there.
No, upstairs.
Hello, guys. Hello. You hear me? Diba? Wow.
Ay, mag-order lang tayo dun guys. Andito kami sa... That's right. That's mine. Ito yung miso soup. Our